is Mike Lacey. I'm the Field Service Supervisor here at API in our Plymouth office here in Michigan, and I've been here 3 years. As a Field Service Supervisor, I really focus on our guys and the relationships that we have with our customers through our guys, and make sure that they have the right, proper functioning equipment so that when we go take care of our customers, everything's top notch, no issues, and pairing up the right guy with the customer, right? Sometimes based on the type of job, the knowledge the guy has, or the area the guy's at, knowing who to pair up with the customer. That's kind of my key role here. I was drawn to API basically because of our product. I've been in metrology for 30 years, and a few years ago, one of our colleagues came to me at a previous place with our product, introduced me to the API tracker, and I was sold at that point. I love our product, and it just made me want to be a part of a very good product. So that's what drew me to API. Our main focus at API is to provide a quality service for a fair price. And for us to provide quality service, we need to have quality men. And it's my job to make sure that our guys stay on top of latest software, latest hardware, make sure that these guys are in tip-top shape so that we can provide that quality service and we can do what these people are looking for, and that's good service, quick. And that's what we can provide them, is a quick quality service. That's why what I do here is important. So metrology by definition is the scientific study of measure. So let's take the restaurant industry, for example. They measure their labor cost on how well they did the previous week or the previous month. Same thing with their food. The amount of food that they order is based on how well they did last week, how well they did that. So in that industry, metrology is used for the quantity portion of that trade. In manufacturing, metrology is the driving force for quality control, right? So in today's world, market, everything is time-based. Everybody wants everything now. And how fast can I get it? How fast can everything be done? Well, that's where we step in when it comes to manufacturing, because our great product in the Pro and the Plus, that is a wireless tracker, we are mobile inside a manufacturing facility, and the accuracy that we provide when we're doing tooling fixtures or presses, whatever it may be, we can get in there fast. We can get it done because of our high accuracy. We can get it done with very high quality. So in manufacturing, with an API tracker, driving the quality control, that's where we stand out. The minute we're born, we are measured. We're measured our height, we're measured our weight. As we go on in life, we're measured daily by what we do. I go to school. Me going to middle school, I'm measured by how well I did in elementary. Me going to high school, how well I did in junior high. Me going to college, how well I was measured by what I did. I'm gonna be measured in this life, in what I did in this earth. I mean, we truly, I can say, from out of the womb to into the tomb, there is truly nothing beyond measure, really. I am a tracker operator. I've been in metrology for 30 years. I love the laser tracker, and with technology progressing the way it is and how fast it's progressing, there's so much out there right now. Our newest product, the LiDAR, nobody touches it. That thing is amazing, and non-contact, high accuracy, interferometer accuracy, it's just an amazing product. Myself, I love our Radian Core, our Radian Plus. They're wireless trackers with the V-Probe accessory. It's just an amazing, and I absolutely love it. I use that thing every day, and I encourage everybody to use that. I do. Yeah, every day it's something different. I love metrology, I love our product, and it just makes my job so much easier when you love what you do and you have a great product that you're working with. You just love to get up every day, come to work and use it. It's just, that's why I'm so passionate about it.